Yes, hello guys. So welcome to my blog. So for today, okay, I will have this, or we will divide this two digits number 663 or 663 divided by a one digit number divided by 3. So usually we can do the mental math, but okay, we can solve this by other means like this one. So I wrote three lines. I draw three lines because of the divisor, which is 3. Okay, so I wrote three lines. Okay, then after that, okay, three lines, three horizontal lines. Okay, so we will somewhat cut this three horizontal lines. Okay, and seeing if the content is possible. Okay, so since there is three, so I cut this. So as you can see, we have obtained three dots, okay, signifying for the number 3. And so our main goal is to have six dots or six overlapping or intersections, because we have six, and again we have six, so six overlapping or intersections. Yes, after that overlapping, so as you can see, we have six dots or six overlapping or intersections, and that's for the last six. Okay, so since there is three overlapping, we obtained one vertical line and two vertical line followed by another two vertical lines. So therefore the answer is, okay, so we are focusing on the number of vertical lines obtained. So in the six overlapping dots, or in the six intersections, we have uh, two vertical lines, and again for the six intersection, we have two vertical lines, and for the three we have one vertical line.